Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your future with Liberty Mutual detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current insurance needs. Identify the key areas of your life that require coverage. This may include auto, home, health, and life insurance. Research the types of insurance offered by Liberty Mutual. Visit their official website to explore available plans. Take note of the coverage options provided for each type of insurance. Evaluate the benefits and features of Liberty Mutual's policies. Consider their customizable plans to fit your unique lifestyle. Use their online tools to calculate potential premiums and coverage levels. Utilize the claims service information to understand the process. Reach out to Liberty Mutual agents for personalized consultations. Gather any necessary information about your assets and liabilities. Discuss your specific circumstances and ask about recommended coverage. Inquire about discounts that you may qualify for. Be sure to ask about bundling options for additional savings. Once you've gathered all necessary information, start the application process. Follow the online instructions to submit your application. Review the policy details thoroughly before finalizing your purchase. Keep an open line of communication with your agent for ongoing support. Periodically reassess your insurance coverage as your life changes. Stay informed about new policy options and updates from Liberty Mutual. Remember, protecting your future begins with informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.